It's coming. When my lights flicker like that means it's cold in the garage.
I was stuck in the middle of a railroad track. Moved around.
Alright, don't have really much to say. I'm just doing a little test video. Seems to be working fine right now, but kind of repaired a buddy of mine's computer. And he's got a camera that puts the same video quality out as this one does. And he was wondering if it's going to act any faster. I got a lot of work to do out here in the garage tomorrow. That car for the first time in 12 years. It's going from there to here. And I will get more into that later. I talked about a lot of big plans in the garage this winter. Yeah. That one's we're doing something with that one. But I gotta get all this shit cleaned out, push it over, back this out, pull it in here. And this one, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with it yet. I don't know if I'm gonna start doing the work on it now or wait till later on in the winter. I don't know yet. But this has got a lot of stuff going on this winter. Lots of stuff. I just figured I would do a little test video for the computer and see how it handles it. Yeah, I know it's been torn apart for like 2 years and I gotta put it back together. And then there's this disaster. And then I need this shelf to put parts on that I tear off some of the cars. I got lots of work to do out here. Like literally like a week or so worth of work. Anybody want a 10 horse Briggs piston? Come on, focus fucker. A little scored up. Rings are good. Motor wasn't too carboned up. Give you a smoking deal on it. Anybody that wants it. 10 horse Briggs. It's out of the 111. About an old Pontiac radio. Any takers? Yeah, I'm just killing time. Making a little video and see what the computer does. How about a Toro mower? Governor needs some help. It runs full throttle, wide open, balls to the walls. That needs help too. I got some cleaning done in here. This used to be a big cluster. Now it's somewhat neat. But yeah, just playing around. Just a little test video for a computer I fixed. Alright. It's working fine right now. Let's see what happens when I throw a video at it. See what it does. But I am so not happy about this. My top's coming apart. This car is a 67 and that is the original top. It's got the original interior in it too. I am so not happy about that. This is going to get a lot of help this winter, but it's going to part back here too. I do not want to replace that top. It's the original one. And that's the next deal, the following winter. Lacquer paint, that's 30 years old, over 30 years old. No, that's not scratches, that's paint cracking. Well, here's a really good example of when it gets really bad. Yeah, I got a lot of deals going with this one. I think I'm sitting at about $2,000 worth of parts, and that's just a drop in a bucket. Could you really use shut your face garage over here? You can really get things knocked out and make everything look real nice, but they're a wee bit far away. Anyways, I'm gonna cut this video. A video about nothing. Just garbage that's in my shop. Like literally garbage that's in my shop. And a computer test. Catch y'all later. Bye.
Want bone?